Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Vivo X200 Pro to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of your Vivo and receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Vivo, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up. And decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by inputting this key, hit Input key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add, allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!